Okay, good day, no? So once again, so now we'll proceed for your to answer your activities for today, no? Just a simple combination of addition and subtraction as long as yan, no? So anyway, so I want to share my screen. So this is no, your problem for your activity, no? Just a simple lessons on statical stability, the initial. So a ship has a kg of 4.5 meters and a gm of 1.2 meters. So meaning what is the km? So what is the metacentric height from the keel to the metacentric height? So just a simply, then number two, kb is 2.8 meters and bm is 3.5 meters. So calculate each km. So meaning kb plus bm equals km Japon. Now sa problem number 3, floating body km, 6 meters kg, 5 meters, so determine the gm. Then number 4, you also determine the bm. So this is just a simple mathematical addition. Okay, so let's just start off. Okay, so what is the problem number 1? Check nyo kung sakto ito mga answer nyo kinakasubmit nyo sa this office. Oh, okay, check nyo, check. Okay, so na-stop sharing ko na yan, na-share ko again. Okay, let's share my screen again. So this is our problem. Uh, this is our problem. So let's answer it now. Okay. So for problem one, PM plus KD equals plus GM 4.5 plus 1.2, 5.7 meters. And problem two, okay, KB plus PM equals 2.8 meters plus 3.5, 6.3. And for problem three, AM plus KJ, KM minus KJ equals 6 meters minus 5 meters, 1 meter. Then the problem for PM in the meter, KM minus KB, 2.1 meters minus 1.1 meters, that's 6 meters. Anyway, no? So this is just one. At simple lang na, no? Stop on sharing. And let's move for the next topic. It's all about the stress calculating equipment. Discuss the ship, how to measure or the draft trim and stability using the hydrostatic table. Anyway, so let's proceed. Okay. Uh, Also the fundamentals of the ship stability are the angle of noise. Okay, so let's proceed. Medyo complicated yung kwanta ng problem solving ang angle of load. Anyway, when we will go back to face to face the next week, no, or mm, next week na, don't be absent kay matapos ang tip for the examination. Okay. So I want to share my screen. Okay. Uh, I-proceed ko sa angle of roll. Okay, proceed ko na sa angle of roll, no? Anyway, no? Let's proceed sa angle of roll. Go to the lesson about the statical stability. So the hydraulics particular abrasive. Okay. I want to share my screen. No? Share my screen. So what is hydrostatic particulars abrasive? So the hydrostatic particular abrasives can be presented into two forms, either a set of curves or a tabular format. Okay. So pag magambal ka nga tabular, numbers na siya. Ang curves, mapakita na ang graphics niya, no? So this is the tabular. So halimbawa, no, ang graph is 8 meters, given na sa hydrostatic table, ammonia displacement. So this is the constant, no? Ang nasolve natin lang ang block coefficient. Ammonia siya mas KB, PM, ano muna siya, PM transverse, PM sa longitudinal, no? And moment to change to trim, the LCB and the LCF. This is just the common, no? Sa ang barko natin na si Bongga Kinsan. Okay. So this is the common, no? Draft, displacement, no? This is the table, no? Ini naman ang curve, no? Okay. So activity 1, halimbawa, no? Calculate the transverse height of center KM for the following drop. 6.5 drop. So, ang solve nito, blast. So, KM equals KB plus BM. So, meaning, ang KM na, ang itao mo dire, ari na siya, no? KB equals KB plus BM. So, pila ang iya nga KM. Okay. So, dire na siya given sa graph, sa hydrostatic table. Okay, activity 2, given the KJ, okay. So, KB plus BM. Oh. So, 6.5 drops, no? 6.5, o hindi makita nila 6.5 pare. 6.5 equals KB nga 2.85 plus amo na siyang iyang drop. So, i-plus mo na yung KB kag BM. So, initial stability, KJ equals 3.5, GM is find the GM if the draft is 7 meters. So, meaning GM equals KM minus KJ. So, pilang KM niya. Okay. So, diri, makita lang na, no? Okay. So, this is the angle of roll. Medyo kung makuaning computation, medyo complicated in a way. Ano talang ni sum up, no? But then, ikuan talang kung mag face to face kay solve kita datos whiteboard ano ni long method tama kalawit ni ikaw ang computation. So the angle of roll are the factors affecting so it is understand the distinctive between the stability of the small large angles and then considering the wall-sided formula. So wall-sided meaning nag-list ang barko sulbon mo kung ano ang iyang distance or sulbon mo man iyang theta ang angle niya. So okay, so this is the angle of worm sa GC curve, no? So amo na siya. This is the angle of giling niya mo. So GC curve na siya, no? Sample lang na isang GC curve. So note from the figure that GC at the angle of LOL is 0 at the angle of less than the angle LOL the writing levers are negative. So whilst the angle of roll is the writing levers are positive up to the vanishing stability. So amo ni siya, oh. So isum up na lang ni ilang taon na lang ni medyo may complicated gawa diya nga kwan. Pero hapos ni kung sa face to face. Kabudlay lang explain subong sa online kay di ko kasulat sa whiteboard. Okay. So amo na siya mga formula na. Let us solve this when we met next week. No? Okay, isa na siya mga magawa ang problem sa problem solving. Okay? Okay, so let's proceed. No? Amo na siya mga angle of dali lang mo na ni-solve. So, ipakita ko lang sa inyo. Kung lang taon mo daw, komplikado yung number na tapos. Basta siling ko lang sa inyo, bring your scientific calculator for that. So the position of gravity and the metacenter will indicate its initial stability of the ship. Following the mates of the ship, we will assume one of the following three stability condition: positive stability, neutral stability, negative stability. So there is sa sini ang ang neutral stability kag negative stability amo ni ang delikado. Neutral sige lang siya, okay lang man, pero negative mas delikado. So may position siya. Positive stability, the metacenter is located above the ship center of gravity. So meaning GM niya plus. So okay na siya. As the ship is inclined, writing arms or rotated which tend to return the ship to its vertical position. Pero sa figure 1. Amo ni ang normal. Amo takbo nga positive stability. So amo nang weight. So ang kwan ang ano ni ang amo ni siya ang weight no sa center of gravity. So ang writing moment GC no itulak siya sa buoyant force pabalik. Okay. So neutral stability ang iyang inclination 7 degrees to 10 degrees. Zero niya ang GM niya. So the writing arms created no metacenter to move after the ship is inclined. Sige lang na pag inclined niya na hindi na siya magbalik ya. Sige lang na. Sige lang takilid niya. Pero hindi since nga zero lang iya nga GM. So wala siya sang ang writing moment na nabubo. So ang amo na yung delikado ang negative stability. Never kung shipmate ka hindi ka wag ka mugid. The center of gravity is located above the metacenter as a ship is inclined. Negative writing moment siya. Center of gravity is located above the metacenter. So meaning you have that negative GM. So taas sa babaw ang center of gravity sa metacenter, so meaning GM niya is negative. So amo na siya So instead nga ang weight amo na siya, instead nga ang buoyant force amo lalo ang BM ang buoyant force lalo nga tulak niya pabalik ang barko. So amo na ang weight gravity. So ginugangan tulod tukit sa ang buoyant force pag babaw. Tulod niya pagkita mo ng buoyant force. Kaya negative ang GM. This is the G, this is the C. So, tulad niya pa. Okay? So, the angle of roll shown reduce the chip a negative initial metacenter tight and stable inclined to the small angle. This is shown in the figure. Okay, so amo na siya capsizing couple na siya. Okay? So, angle of roll is the center of buoyancy if it's still out for the further to the low the side, no? So, amo na siya ang capsizing moment. Amo na sa sistema. Kung capsizing siya, no? Okay? So ang barko stable na siya kung ang iyang GM is positive. That is the positive stability. So dira ka delikado sa neutral kag sa negative stability. Ang neutral niya once ka tumakilid na siya sa external forces, sige na iya takilid. Kaya hindi siya kabawi. Pero kung positive siya, tulog siya sa buoyant force, sang center of gravity, no? Sang buoyant force. Center of buoyancy. Pero kung negative, instead nga ibalik niya, lalo niya ginbutang. Gintulod niya lalo. Okay. So, ang ganap no? Sample lang na siya. So, anyway class, no? Kuha naman, statical stability ka, ano na lang natin, i-wrap up na lang natin next week na magkita na kita. Class, stop mo sharing, no? So by this time, ang attendance natin dito ko lang checkon karon sa kuan ako, group call lang ako to check the attendance. Then somebody will screen share sa aton attendance kay wala man ta hindi kita ka screen share sa kuan. Doon lang tama-tama call maskin lang dira na lang sa GC mismo. Ma-check lang attendance ta. Ma-call lang ko total diyan man ra makita man nagyapon. At least importante nga we have that proof nga nag-actual kita yang nga class although I am on the training center since this is the asynchronous methods of teaching. So may tax kamo ginpobra plus may recorded nga on time nga discussion. Real time although nga recorded but in real time. So amo ni kanami sa COVID kay we have created this ano ni resiliency no maskin in spite nga ano naka-create sila sa mga multitasking nga bla. Okay? So class just don't be absent next week no kay mahatag ako sang tip or the pointers for the prelim exam plus may damo pa nga lesson kita nga ikupa. So goodbye class for the moment.